I seek your indulgence, my lord. With regard to matter item number 11, my lord, I seek adjournment in this matter for
Item 11.
item 11, my lord.
Yes, what do you want?
Adjournment, my lord. 2 weeks.
Why?
My lord, I'm having some difficulties family-wise. So
What about the other side?
we've already talked to each other last night, and I've informed him of my difficulties.
Mr. Vanal Ngaka, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that as he has some personal difficulties, the matter may be adjourned for
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Stop. He submits that he has taken the consent of the other side as well. Stop. In view of above, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Obliged.
My lord, I beg to mention item 10 from the hearing column, my lord. My lord, this hearing will be conducted by my senior Mr. Silaram Zawa, senior counsel. He was in bereavement and he went out of station, and he had just come back last night. So if the matter may be listed in the next week, my lord. Item 10.
Okay. As paid for on behalf of Mr. Silaram Zawal and his senior counsel, appearing for the sole respondent, and not objected to by the other side. This is the matter again after a week. Have you informed the other side?
We tried to inform them last night, but he's incommunicado, so I will inform, my lord.
Yes, okay.
Obliged.
For those, item number 6.
You're trying to scare us.
My lord, in this matter, I seek further 2 weeks to file my objection to the IA. I am for the respondent 1 and 2.
Who's for the other side?
Mr. Johnny.
He's not come today.
He had rang me up yesterday. He said he had gone out of station, my lord.
Okay. Yes, paid for by Mr. Sheetlan Thiaglema, learned counsel for the respondents.
1 and
Further,
2.
For the respondent numbers 1 and 2. Further 2 weeks' time
2 weeks time, my lord.
is granted to file objection to the IA. Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
May I please, Lord?
Yes, Mr. Lingshon.
My Lord, there is a delay of 1,387 days in filing the connected appeal. So let the notice be issued to the respondent. We may take a step accordingly, my Lord.
This is a case of heirship.
Yes, my Lord. Airship was issued without notice, without informing us.
Okay, heard Mr. L.H. Tamshima, learned senior counsel, assisted by Ms. Ruth Van Ruler Ralph for the applicant. Submits that this application is filed seeking condonation of 1,387 days delay in filing the connected appeal against the order dated 22/3/2021, passed by the Senior Civil Judge Roman 2 Aizol in heirship certificate number 476 of 2021. Next para, issue notice, returnable by 4 weeks. Applicant to take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by registered post with ADD within 3 days.
My Lord, does this service, if permitted, we can take...
Surely. Additionally, applicant is permitted to serve notice to the respondent by way of Dasti through the registry of this court within 10 days. Stop. Once notice is served by Dasti, an affidavit be filed by the applicant as proof of service. List again after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
My Lord, 8 also, same thing goes. There is a delay of 396 days in filing the connected appeal, my Lord.
This is a different case, isn't
A
it?
different case, yes, my Lord.
Okay, similar,
Oh,
anything?
yes, my lord. The the applicant has approached the wrong forum in filing the revision petition, my lord. So it was found not maintainable, so he was permitted to withdraw the said revision petition with liberty to file afresh. So as per section 14 of the Limitation Act, my lord, the delay part can be excluded. Anyway, my lord, let the notice be issued upon the respondent, my lord.
You are preferring an appeal against the order passed by the district judge
District judge, yes, my lord.
in RFA.
Yes, my lord. As second appeal.
But you said you approached the wrong forum.
We had filed a revision petition against the judgment and order passed by the district judge, my lord,
Where? Before this court?
before this court.
Okay, you have withdrawn
And a
that.
copy of, yes, my lord, a copy of the said order, withdrawing order, has been, was annexed along with the petition, my lord.
Okay. Anyway, notice will have to go at this
Yes,
stage.
my lord, yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. L.H. Liansima, learned senior counsel, assisted by Ms. Ruth Delrot-Feli for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks condonation of 396 days delay in filing the connected appeal against the order dated 8/12/2023 passed by the district judge Aizol in RFA number 7 of 2022, arising out of civil suit number 77 of 2018. First of the learned counsel submits that the reason for the delay is mainly due to the fact that the applicant approached the wrong forum by filing civil revision petition under section
227.
under Article 227 of the Constitution of India.
Yes, my lord.
Stop. However, the said revision petition was withdrawn on 7/4/2025. And thereafter, the petitioner, the applicant has filed the connected appeal. The connected second appeal under section 100 of the CPC. Next para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. Who will appear for the state? Mr. Samuel Valnashetha Chankal, an additional AG, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 to 4. Applicant to serve requisite extra copies of the application along with a memo of appeal to the learned additional AG, if not already done. Stop. Applicant shall also take steps for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 5 and 6 by registered post with AD due within 3 days. That's the matter again after 4 weeks.
My lord.
Item number 9.
I seek your lordship's indulgence. My lord, this matter is being handled by Mrs. Van Isiami. If the matter may be passed over for the time being.
Okay, passed over. No, just a minute. This is the first time.
Yes, my lord.
We'll record her name. She has come to the court. She is here.
She's on legs in the other courtroom, my lord.
Okay, that's okay. Handled by Van Isiami.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, please write. Heard Ms. Van Isiami, learned government advocate, appearing for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks condonation of 262 days in filing the connected regular first appeal. Next para, issue notice, returnable by 4 weeks. Applicant to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post with AD due within 3 days. List the matter again after 4 weeks.
For admission, item number 1.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior CGC for Respondent number 1 and 2. May I seek 3 weeks' time for filing affidavit in opposition?
Your Lordship, in that case, my senior is on next on the other court. He would like to make a submission. So if Your Lordship may have this taken up after some time.
Okay, passed over for the time being. Why don't you check up whether it's a covered case or not?
Item number 2.
Lordship, this morning I tried to call Miss Mary. She didn't pick up the call. I texted her. She didn't reply. So
Yes. Any instruction?
Yes, my lord. She'll be appearing on behalf of JICA. However, as of now, she's stuck in some traffic jam or something.
So can we record our name then?
Yes, my lord. Oh, if we can wait for some time, my lord, then.
There she is.
My sincere apologies, my lord, I was on late.
Oh, that's okay. See, this is item number 2. It was listed yesterday.
Yes,
Your counterpart says that you have instructions to appear
Yes,
before
yes.
the respondent number 7.
correct,
So
yes.
since you were not available, sorry, respondent number 9. Since you were not available, so that's why we posted the matter again today. So when will you file your power?
It is bound to be sent from Delhi. So if I may be given at least 1 week time, my lord.
9, who's respondent number 9?
JICA,
Oh, JICA, okay. Yes.
at least 2 weeks time if permitted.
Ms. Mary Laramgeti, Learned Counsel, is present for the petitioners. Stop. Ms. Mary L. Kiangte, Learned Counsel, submits that she has instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 9. And she prays that she may be given 10 days' time to file her power. And further, how much time? 3 weeks' time
Yes, Your
to
Lordship.
file counter affidavit. Next para, Mr. Samuel Vangshi Dachangte, Learned Counsel, appears for the respondent number 2, 7 and 8. While Ms.
Baby Laldin Zwali.
Baby Laldin Zwali, Learned
for
Counsel, appears
Respondent number 1.
for respondent number 1.
A similar prayer.
And she prays that she may be granted 3 weeks' time, further 3 weeks' time to file her response. Next para, in view of above, Ms. Mary L. Kiante, Learned Counsel, is given 10 days' time to file her power and further, and 3 weeks in all to file a counter affidavit. Similarly, respondent number 1 is also given further 3 weeks' time to file their counter affidavit. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
Thank you, Lord.
Item number 3.
Your Lordship, in this
Yes.
case, the respondent number 6 is the high-powered committee. And Your Lordship, steps have been taken for them on the 17th of 11/2023. And as per the record, the ID card has not yet returned till date.
Respondent number 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When did you take steps?
On the 17th of November 2023.
17 November 23.
Yes, Your Lordship. And
And who's respondent number 6?
6 is the high-powered committee for Northeastern region.
Is the address correct?
Yes, Your Lordship, this is the present address.
That was long time back. Why don't you take fresh steps again? Steps that you have taken was in 2023.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That was a long time back. Are they necessary, party?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the issue regarding?
This is regarding the illegal confiscation of transit passes for timbers.
And who appears for the state?
Yes, I am for the state.
You have filed a counter?
Yes, we have, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, in the last court order, we were given time to file our affidavit reply. And Your Lordship, we have drafted the same, but the petitioners are residents of Assam. So we have sent them the affidavit and they'll be delivering us back
How much
within a
time?
week. After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
In terms of the last court's order, Ms. K. Venecia Learned Counsel has submitted the no objection signed by Mr. B. Pathak, the previous counsel for the petitioners. You have filed your power also?
Yes, Your Lordship.
The Learned Counsel also has filed her power. Stop. Ms. K. Venecia Learned Counsel submits that she may be granted further 2 weeks' time to file the reply affidavit of the petitioner against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent numbers 1 to 5. Prayer is allowed. Next para. It is seen that respondent number 6 has not been served notice till date. Stop. Therefore, petitioner shall take fresh steps to serve notice to respondent number 6 by registered post with ADDU within 3 days. List the matter again after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, in the meantime, there are some corrections needed to be made in my plaint. Your Lordship, in my
Which one?
petition, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, regarding the impugned confiscation order, Your Lordship, the date has been inadvertently written as 2022, where it should be 2002. And this,
Where?
in page number 2, in several pages, Your Lordship, page 2, 18, 19, you know.
We can't correct like that. You should file an application.
Your Lordship.
Petitioner is given liberty to file an application. The petitioners are given liberty to file application to make correction in the typographical mistakes in the writ petition.
Your Lordship, also in page 32, the annexure 3, we have to annex English translation of the order, Your Lordship.
You mentioned that in the application.
Your Lordship.
We'll see. Okay.
Item number 4.
Obliged.
May it please Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Johnny L. Tautsong, counsel for the petitioner. And if I may be given another 1 week time,
For?
since he's out of station, Lordship.
1 week time for what?
This matter may be taken up after 1 week.
Who is appearing for the other side? You all have filed affidavit?
Yes, my lord, we have already filed.
Yes, my lord, for respondent 1, 2, and 9, I have filed my affidavit.
They want some more time. Respondent number? What is the case regarding? Compensation?
JICA, similar to item number 2, my lord.
Yes, Lordship. If I may add, if this matter may be listed along with the analogous case matter in WPC 7 of 2024.
7
Yes, Lordship.
of 2022.
24.
In this case, when is it likely to be listed?
Pardon, Your Lordship.
When is this case likely to be listed? 7 of 2024.
It was,
Just check up, what was the last order passed in WPC 7 of 2024? When is it due to be listed? I think you can do that, isn't it? Just find out.
Lordship, last order was passed in 14 January 2025.
Yes, what was the order?
It is to be listed after 2 weeks, as per the last court order.
January.
2 weeks. It's more than 2 weeks now, isn't it? Should we club it together, Mr. Cyber?
It's all similar, my lord. If I may, my lord, item number 2 is also similar. And as per your lordship's direction, you had asked the petitioners to implead JICA in that particular writ petition, my lord.
Item 2, you said.
Yes, my lord.
What order is that passed, item 2? Okay, fine. Is that, I'll give them 3 weeks time, isn't it? Should we club it together?
Yes, my lord.
One more line you write in the last part, item 2. As prayed for, this is the matter along with WPC number 7 of 2024. Then this item 4, you write Mr. Johnny L. Tochong, Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station, and prayer for adjournment has been made on his behalf. So Ms. Zainam Sampui, Learned CGC, submits that she represents the respondent number 4 and prays for further 3 weeks' time to file her counter affidavit. Stop, it is submitted at the bar that, no, not required. In view of above, the matter stands adjourned. To enable the respondent number 4, file counter affidavit, list this matter along with WPC number 7 of 2024 as paid for. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. In the last court order, I was instructed to produce the mark obtained by the applicant appear for the promotion of sub-inspector of police.
What is the matter?
It's the matter for promotion from Havildar to sub-inspector of police.
Havildar to sub-inspector.
Sub-inspector in the arm branch of Mizoram Police.
Before we see the marks, let us hear. It was heard by different bench, isn't it? So I'd like to know the background. What is the matter regarding?
Yes,
How many petitioners are there before the court?
123, my lord.
Huh?
123.
123. And who's for the other side? Government is there?
For the private respondent number.
You are for the
Private respondent.
numbers?
7 to 24.
And the state government is
1 to
respondent
6.
1 to 6.
1 to 6. There's no rejoinder. Writ petition and 2 count affidavits.
Yes, my lord.
No rejoinder.
No rejoinder.
Matter can be heard?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the records?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Both of you may go. Take some time. Is there any interim order?
No, my lord.
Okay, just a minute. Huh? Impugn order is annexure 11. Or what? Page 72?
Yes, my lord.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Where are the private respondents? The entire list.
Yes, the entire list, 1 to 18, my lord.
All of them are the private respondents here, 1 to 18.
Yes, my lord.
What about the next page? Oh, these are panel.
Yes, but panel list.
No, no.
No,
This
no,
is
no.
not penal.
This is a transfer.
Transfer.
Transfer. Transfer order.
Same persons or what? Or different persons?
Different persons.
Further, consider upon the promotion posting of the above, the following inspectors are hereby transferred and posted against names with immediate effect. You're challenging the promotion of all these 1 to 18,
Yes, my lord.
correct?
Yes.
Okay, and they are respondent numbers 7 to 24. Is that correct?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, tell us, what is your case?
Yes, my lord. Departmental Promotion Committee, in respect of promotion for Havildar to SI in the armed branch of Mizoram Police, was formed. By an order dated 6/11/2023, and which is at Annex 1, page number 50. Then after that, the said Departmental Promotion Committee held its meeting and formed the practical test board on 5/12/2023. And thereafter, the respondent number 4, by its letter dated 6/12/2023, that is at page number 52, Annex 3, requests all commandants and superintendent of police security and principal PTS hands-all to submit list of willing candidates to appear in the departmental test for promotion to Havildar to Sub-Inspector, Armed Branch. Then initially, the departmental test was scheduled to be conducted on 8 to 13 January 2024, but it was postponed by corrigendum dated 13/12/2023 to it is postponed on 29/1/2024 to 2nd February 2024. Then after that, on 8 January 2024, that is at my lord page number 55, White Office Order dated 8/1/2024, examiners in the departmental test of Havildar was appointed. They were detailed to assist the practical test board members. That is on page number 55. Then a routine for practical tests and written tests was made by notification 8/1/2024, that is at Annex 6, page number 56. Then since there is no detailed instructions written in the Mizoram Police Manual, a standing order dated 22/11/2021 was previously issued by the DGP, who is the respondent number 3, for promotion of Havildar to Sub-Inspector AB. That is that standing order is at page number 57 and 58 of my then after that of my petition. Then after that, then guidelines for making assessment of the candidate's performance in the departmental test for promotion of Havildar to SIAB is made by the DGP by that is at page number 59, that is at Annex number 8. Then after the test was completed, those who appear in the departmental test were released with immediate effect to join the respective unit. That is at page number 61 of his order, dated 5/2/2024, after the test was over. Then there is a minute of the meeting of Departmental Promotion Committee, then which is at page number 68, my lord. Annexure 10. Then after careful deliberation, the Departmental Promotion Committee drawn the select list and recommended the private respondents for promotion to the post of Sub-Inspector of Police AB. Then the meeting was held on 22/2/2024 at 11 a.m. in the office of the IGP, who is the respondent number 4. Then a reserve select list is on page number 69. 7 reserve lists, 7 were selected for reserve. Then this page number 70 is the note sheet with regard to the departmental a committee meeting of the Departmental Promotion Committee, then approval by the DGP. Then White Office Order dated 29/2/2024, which is at Annexure 11. The private respondents were promoted to the Departmental Promotion Committee. So the page number 74 is the overall result of departmental test for promotion of for Havildar to Sub-Inspector of Police. Then with this is page number, this is obtained through RTI.
Where is your RTI application?
My Lord, may I bring you to page number 104? I have not annexed the application copy, but that is the reply to RTI copy.
Page?
Page number 104. Annexure 17.
Yes.
5 is copy of final result of promotion of Havildar to Sub-Inspector. A copy enclosed at Annexure D. That
So
annex,
this is the one.
yes, that one was annexed here.
So where are the petitioners and where are the private respondents? Ms. Vanessiami, you were asked to produce what marks? Which
All
marks?
the marks, my lord, it's in the box. That is the overall, and the rest is inside the box, my lord. All the marks obtained, practical and theory.
But this annexure 12 is already there,
That is the overall marks, my lord. And I have submitted it again, and the rest are inside the box, my lord.
No, don't take it out. Don't take it out. I'm just asking you. See, he has annexed the RTI reply.
Yes, my lord.
The entire sheet is here. So where is the requirement of giving another this thing again?
No, my lord, in the previous court date, my learned friend has mentioned that after applying the RTI application, they were not given the RTI response. He pleaded like that. That's why the court has instructed me to produce that one.
No, but he has annexed it. Annexure 12 is the RTI response. Overall result. This includes, what is the scheme of the test?
The scheme of this is
What all tests are conducted in order to be promoted from Havildar to ASI, arm branch?
yes, my lord.
What is done? Drill is conducted?
Yes,
Weapon,
is
drill,
conducted.
what not?
Uh,
Any written test?
Yes, regarding in number 59, my lord, medical examination is there, then personal turnout, proficiency in drill, command and control, then weapons written in theory and practical, then field craft and map reading written in 15 marks. So,
From where are you saying that? From where are you saying that?
page number 59, my lord.
Okay, this one. Now this annexure 12, does it contain all these areas?
Yes.
Overall result?
Yes.
So what does the marks given to you reveal? You've got lesser marks than the private respondents.
Yes, my lord.
So that's why you're not selected.
Yes.
So what is wrong in that?
Yes. Without on this on the we are not satisfied with the overall result marks.
Why? How?
Because we have written representation to MAPA also, who is the, and the same was referred to the DGP. We have written our dissatisfaction in that. May I bring you to page number 83, my lord.
See, you not being satisfied with your marks cannot be the ground to interfere with this. Was there any violation of any provisions of law? Was there any arbitrary exercise of power?
Since, yes.
That has to be looked into.
We have.
You not being satisfied with your marks cannot be the ground to entertain your writ petition like that. If you have done, if you have not done well, accordingly marks is given to you. In your understanding, you must have done very well. But it is for the invigilator to check and see whether you have done well or not.
My lord, may I please, on page number 86, an RTI application was submitted by P. Lalun Eyangi, who is the wife of the petitioner, number 60. This is a vernacular language, then the translated copy is on page number 87. Response to the inquiry made through RTI Act 2005. The answer to the information you seek through RTI dated 21/3/24 is as under. A Xerox copy of the original mark and Havildar Sub-Inspector mark overall. A Xerox copy of the original mark has not been submitted by practical test board in page Q. Therefore, there is nothing to be furnished. Then, the result mark overall of Havildar Sub-Inspector involve another person's interest third party. As such, the permission and consent of third party involved has to be obtained first. Since they refused the enclosure of their marks, it has been kept in blank. This is noted under remarks column. Result marks as attached in the annex. Here, what I like to submit is, my lord, in Mizoral vernacular language, original table mark Xerox copy le Havildar Sub-Inspector result mark avain. Then the answer is original table mark Xerox copy he practical test board in page Q aron submilo avangin pek to raomlo. So that original score of the candidates were not submitted to the PHQ. However, the overall result was made without receiving the original marks of the practical test of the test conducted.
What do you mean by original table mark?
The original table mark means there is a practical board. Then the practical board has conducted practical tests. Then they have given marks to the candidates by using a pen, a ball pen maybe. Then that was applied through the RTI. But that cannot be furnished to the applicant. Then without that original mark, it seems that it appears that the overall result was prepared. So the answering state respondent has stated in their affidavit in reply also that a computer type copy of the mark was submitted to the police headquarters. So there is a chance of manipulating the marks obtained by the candidates in this case, my lord.
What is that board you call it?
Practical test board.
The entire scheme of the selection includes many areas, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Personal turnout, medical examination. What did you say that board, name of the board was? Name of the board?
Practical test board.
Practical test board.
Yes.
What is their role? What are they supposed to do?
My lord, may I please?
Come back to page 56.
Yes, my lord. Page number 58.
58.
Yes. In para number 8. The test will be conducted by the test board appointed by the DGP, which will make objective assessment of all the candidates based on their performance in the test and submit list to the DGP for consideration of promotion in order of merit by the DPC duly constituted by the government of Mizoram by order number such and such dated 7/7/2020. That is the role of the test board. It is to be appointed by the DGP.
Objective assessment of all candidates.
Yes.
So you come to page 56. Subject is there, isn't it?
Yes, subject is there.
Personal turnout, medical examination, proficiency in drill, command and control, weapons. All these things, except medical examination,
Yes.
are to be done by the
Practical test board.
practical test board.
Yes.
There's no written examination.
Yes.
Written test
Written test.
is not there.
Written test is there.
Okay, this one, fieldcraft and map reading
Yes, yes.
in written.
Yes, my lord.
Weapons theory in written.
Yes.
This is the written test.
Yes.
Okay. So this page 56 comprises of the entire examination,
Yes.
the entire scheme of the test.
Yes, my lord.
Medical examination will be done by the medical officer.
Yes, my lord.
And apart from that, the entire test will be done by the practical test board.
Yes, practical test board.
And you just read out the standing order.
Yes, standing order.
It says test will be conducted by the test board appointed by the DGP, which will make objective assessment of all candidates based on their performance in the test and submit list to the DGP. Where does it say that they will submit all the evaluation sheets, everything to the DGP?
My lord, may I please? It does not say that they have to submit all the
Then-
list. But
So that is why the PHQ did not have that list. That's why they say that we don't have the list with us. See, there are many officers here
yes,
at page 56. Table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5, table 6. There are 6 tables comprising of different officers.
yes,
each of them will have their own evaluation, correct?
Yes, my lord.
And each evaluation will be collected
Yes.
and it will be summarized and a score sheet will be prepared. And the score sheet, depending on the score sheet, the recommendation will be made and submitted to the PHQ. So where does the standing order say that whatever evaluation you have made, the entire papers has to go to the PHQ?
My lord, even though it does not say that the entire paper shall go to the PHQ, but if that original score was applied to the RTI, the PHQ can call for those records and they can furnish.
What is
to
there in
the-
the box? Original records?
Yes, my lord. All the original reports.
Original records means this, what do you call this?
All this column, my lord, medical report, everything is there.
Original table mark.
Yes.
But who will undertake the exercise of checking all these things? The court cannot do that. How many candidates appeared in all?
215 candidates, my
Sorry?
lord. 215 candidates.
215.
Yes.
So 123 petitioners have come before this court
Yes.
and they have challenged the appointment of 18 private respondents.
Yes, my lord.
So that means how much? 141. Total how much you say?
215.
250.
215, my lord.
215. So 123 petitioners plus 18 private respondents plus another 74 persons who are not before this court had participated. Total is 215. So tell me, what is the basis of your allegation or assumption that something must have gone wrong? What is the basis?
There is a manipulation of marks
How?
obtained by the candidates.
How? Please demonstrate. We cannot open the Pandora's box like that. Just because you suspect something, we'll open the entire box and start
Yes.
looking one by one.
My
It
lord.
cannot be done.
May I kindly bring you to page number 84?
84.
Yes. This is the representation submitted by us to the President, Mizoram Armed Police Association.
84.
Yes, 83 and 84. Yes. Then this letter was again referred to the DGP by the President MAPA, it is in short, Mizoram Armed Police Association.
What has happened to your representation?
Nothing was considered.
Please read the representation. Let's see.
Yes.
This letter has been written. This is a translated copy or what?
Yes, it is already written in English.
Okay, then read. It's better
Yes. To the President, Mizoram Armed Police Association, MAPA, Aizawl, Mizoram, subject request for action regarding DPE Havildar to Sub-Inspector exam result. Dear Sir, this letter has been written to bring your kind attention to the recent Havildar to Sub-Inspector 2024 results. Surprisingly, candidates who were not qualified during the exam procedure are chosen based on the outcome of the exam. During the assessment process of the chosen applicants, we have informed you of several reasons. Many problems include applicants who struggle in the practical and attempt to stop taking the exam in the middle, but are pressured by us to finish it. A board officer scolded several of the chosen candidates for taking the incorrect sheet due to lack of knowledge. Candidates categorized as unfit for the battalion and difficult to move were also selected. Candidates who were instructed to do platoon drills are rather doing squad drills during the exam. Moreover, some candidates among the selected were confused regarding command and control. Due to nervousness, some individuals struggled during the exam, impacting their ability to perform well. Additionally, individuals who can predict their designation positions are also found, and those who serve as orderlies who never practice facing difficulties during exams are selected. Furthermore, when individuals selected prefer posting for transfer, TADA cannot be reimbursed. However, there are some individuals among the selected candidates who choose their battalion for posting even before declaring the result. In the final examination result, there are potential issues and uncertainties, especially concerning certain matters. In cases where there is substantial eye evidence available, addressing these concerns becomes crucial to ensure a fair evaluation and accurate assessment. Hence, it is argued to thoroughly review and rectify any discrepancies for the overall improvement of evaluation process. Several unfair means are also implicated as a result of one of the pick candidates' father's bad mouth. Suspicions circulate that corruption money is involved. Additionally, some individuals who had no reward mark were chosen. It is unjust that a week prior to the findings being announced, the 1st Battalion IR was already aware of the result. Concerning the examination's transparency, it is reported that prior test takers claim that the RTI findings were computerized and have already been adjusted as necessary. Although the written questions are easier.
Where? How is that?
That is in affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 6 at page number 14. Annexure 2. Then on page number 22, my lord, that is on annexure 3, that is a note sheet. It is written that General Secretary MAPA forwarded an appeal from non-selected candidates of DPT 2024 regarding promotion result of SIAB by Departmental promotion test conducted during 29 January to 5 February 2024 at 3rd Battalion MAP Parade Ground, Molpui. The non-selected candidates claim that some of the selected promoted candidates are not fit for selection according to their performances. 139 numbers of Havildars, 5 Nikes and 8 constables signed their names in the appeal. The following selected candidates whose results are not satisfied by the appellants with reasons stated against their names. H. Lalmal Soma. His performances in command and control weapon practical was poor. Ramthar Ngaka, rank in the position in the test 7. He already knew he is selected, but his performance were not at the level for selection. Ratan Mahata, who is 9 rank, he was house attendant to the then IGP headquarters, chairman of the test, and is known for his incompetence during the exams and practice. Chuman Prasad Ray, whose rank is 15, his performance in weapons practical was not up to the standard. Vandal Peka, whose rank number 16, he was about to quit the exam but pushed by his friends, and according to his father, they allegedly provide money to the authorities. Lalming Sanga, 17. This, it is put up for perusal and direction, please, but nothing was done upon this. representation.
Yes, government advocate, what has happened to this?
Yes, my lord. After receiving that application, my lord, the department have looked into it again, and they did not see any unfairness means.
Where is that? How do you say that?
My lord, it is written in my affidavit,
Where?
but there is no letter published on behalf of that. It's in para number 5, page number 3. If I may read out my
Yes.
that with regard to the statements made in paragraph number 15 of the writ petition, I say that the General Secretary Mizoram Armed Police Association, MAPA, forwarded the request letter of grievances, request for taking action regarding the unfairness of the departmental test, claiming that 6 selected candidates are not fit for selection promotion. In pursuance of the said letter, the case was examined carefully, but no unfairness or injustice was found committed by the practical test board. Therefore, no further action was taken in this regard.
But where is that examination? Except for this annexure 3, it's a part of the note sheet.
Yes, my lord. They have given out the overall marks. So it can be seen clearly that the overall marks is written here, the medical report, everything is there. The practical and non-practical tests. All the results were written in these overall marks. So the main grievance of the applicant is that they cannot see which is written in a ball pen. The computer type form of marks were not accepted by the applicants as per their pleadings, my lord. So the PHQ have submitted their computer type marks, and that was not admitted by them, my lord. And from the test mark, which can be seen here, my lord, this dead marks is on merits. So it can be seen that the private respondent have got from 1st to 18. They have got the higher marks, my lord.
No, whatever it may be, see, annexure 3 is a note sheet. When there's a specific allegation against 6 persons,
Yes, my lord.
and what are the remarks? Remarks is also given. But against that, you merely say that it was carefully examined and no unfairness, injustice was found.
My lord, these remarks was made by the petitioners, not by the department. This is just their assumption, my lord.
Let us see. Who is this H. Lal Malsoma? He appears at which serial number?
Serial number
3.
Yes, my lord.
They say that his performance in command and control and weapon practical was poor. This is according to the petitioners.
Yes, my lord.
But who are the examiners? The petitioners are not the examiners. How do you say that his performance was poor?
Because the practical test was done in the field, then in the playground. So they have seen the performance of the
They have
their
seen,
friends
but
also.
they have seen with their own eyes. That's all. But they are not the authority to make the assessment. They can just say that assessment was poor, that's all. But how do we believe that? Command and control, he's got 13 marks. Now, how many marks? It has not got any marks. Okay. Please come to this page 74. chart. Have you seen it? Serial number 3 is H. Lalmal Soma.
Yes, my lord.
He is the number 1 who is against whom you have complained.
In the remarks, it is written that Mark Pekrem Tilo. Since it is obtained through RTI,
Okay.
since he is the third party, he did not allow to furnish his marks to the applicant. That is why
And
it is.
this is the marks.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So, tell me, how do you make out your case? They have got the respective marks. You may complain, according to us, he did not perform well. According to the instructor, he has performed and he has given marks.
My lord, may I please?
How do we go about it?
May I please? On page number 88 and 89, that is RTI application, a reply to an RTI application. In Mizo language on page number 88, RTI mga izona, dated 7/3/2024, ami Havildar to ABSI DPE practical
Page,
test.
page?
Number 88 of my petition. 88.
Yes.
RTI mga izona, dated 7/3/2024, ami Havildar to ABSI DPE practical test video coverage to nangma external dis hadis manghian chana pekini then it means that there is a video coverage of all the candidates while doing their practical tests. Then we have written another representation to the DGP, that is at page number 90. We have written
But what
another
does it mean? Just a
representation.
minute. What does it mean?
Before that, to the President and General of MAPA, a
No,
representation.
just a minute,
was-
just
yes.
a minute. What is the question that you have asked here? Is honor dated 7/3/2024? What is this?
Yes. She applied an RTI to the PHQ.
Seeking what information?
Video coverage of.
Where
the
is that question? Where is that information?
I
being
have
sought?
not annexed the question, but only the reply is.
So what does it mean here? RTI manga is honor so and so. Havildar to so and so. Practical test video coverage. Chu nangma external hard disk manga hian chana pek in ye.
She submitted external hard disk to
You
the
have- you have been
PHQ.
given?
Yes. Yes, I was given.
You have given so.
Yes. So then.
You have gone through you have seen the pictures.
Yes, we have gone through the pictures. Then we have write another representation to the DGP that is on page number 90.
Who will examine those things now?
Yes, my lord.
See, the test was conducted by various officers there. Various tables were there. I think 6 tables were there. There was an overall video coverage.
Yes.
You are asking the court to examine the video coverage and see that no, he has not done well. He has done well. I have done well.
No, my
private
lord.
respondent has not done well.
That is not.
How do we?
That is not. I'm
go to that extent.
Trying to mean by this.
Then
we have made another representation to the DGP again, except to that which was written before. Then that is on page number 90. We have made another request. Then on page number on para number 16.
No, what have you requested the DGP?
The video footage in connection with practical test for promotion of Havildar to sub-inspector held at 3rd Battalion M Parade Ground during 29 January to 5th
From where are you
February
reading?
2020. Page number 16, page number 97. Parade Ground 2024 was recorded. For the sake of fair selection and for the end of justice, we request your benign authority to issue direction for review of the said video recorded footage along with all the original marks secured by all participants during the practical and written tests in the aforesaid departmental test and make reassessment again for selection. Video footages of 15 Havildars who had already been promoted to SIAB, whose results disputed by us, are hereby enclosed along with this application for your kind review and for making reassessment on their performance during the practical test.
So who are those 15 Havildars?
8 out of that 18 selected candidates, 15 videos of the selected was annexed along with this application to the DGP. But that our request was also not considered at that stage.
How have you enclosed those videos?
By using pen drive, we have submitted to.
You should have mentioned here, whose results are disputed by us are hereby enclosed along with this application.
Along with this representation, we have submitted that videos.
You have not mentioned it as an extra. You have otherwise mentioned RTI reply as annexure 2, letter of request as annexure 1. You could have easily mentioned that videos also as annexure so and so. And you have given a copy of the video to everyone?
No, to the applicant.
What do you mean applicant?
Of the RTI, page number 88. That was seen by us.
No. Video footing of the 15 Havildars you have enclosed along with this representation.
Yes, my lord.
And that video footage was given to everyone? PS2 Chief Minister, PS2 Minister Home?
Yes, my lord. Yes,
everyone?
Yes. But the same was not considered. Our request was not considered. We have made 2 representations to the authority.
When was this made, representation?
On 5/6, it was received on 5/6/2024.
What is your reply to this? Annexure
No-
16
No reply.
in the counter affidavit?
No, my lord, we don't have any reply on this.
Annexure 16 is annexed along with, against which paragraph? Paragraph 18.
Yes, my lord.
Three 397, Rule 397, what is that?
Promotion to the rank of sub-inspector.
You have enclosed it somewhere?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
It's in page 24 in my affidavit.
So this is the criteria, 397, correct?
Yes, my lord.
So this was followed.
This was followed.
Petitioners are alleging unfairness. How do you prove your unfairness? Just saying that this is a video coverage, go and see a review again. There's something wrong with the assessment. Respondents say that why should we review? There's no question of reviewing it. It was strictly done as per 397 provision.
My lord, we have seen during the test that they
No,
are
but
not
you are
performing
just the
well.
participant, that's all. You are not the authority to give the marks.
Since our result was unexpectedly come out beyond our expectations, we have made representation to
Obviously,
the authority.
you were expecting
Yes.
to be promoted. You were
Yes.
not promoted.
But all our requests were not made success.
Where is the scope for the court to go into all these aspects? Tell me. How many vacancies are there? 18.
Yes,
Against which 215 candidates were examined.
yes, madam.
Procedure to be followed is clause 397 of the Mizoram Police Manual.
Yes,
And as per the scheme of the exam, all these tests were conducted. And according to you, you did very well, whereas the private respondents did not do well.
yes, my lord.
And that's why you are not happy with the results. But how do you say that you should have been selected instead of them? And what is wrong in their selection?
Since we believe and think that the marks were manipulated by the authority.
Well, the marks are here. How do you say it's manipulated?
Yes, that is the marks is there, but before that, there is a original marks to be given by the test board members. That was asked by us, but that was not.
Test board
furnished
members'
to us.
marks are here in that box.
I believe, my lord.
Have you opened it yourself?
Yes, I have opened it.
Is it handwritten or?
No, I haven't checked it properly, my lord. It's a bulky.
Huh?
It's quite bulky, and I just received it recently, and didn't have time to check it.
Why don't you check it out?
Yes, my lord, I will check it out.
What is stressing is that practical test board comprises of 6 tables, I think. Total 6 tables. Every one of them have got their evaluation.
No, my lord, if I may.
Yes.
What he expect to see is that the marks which is in handwritten.
Is it there in that box?
I have no idea, my lord. So,
Just check.
Yes,
Check
my
up.
lord, I will check it out.
Check it up. You take back this also. This should be in seal cover,
Yes, my lord.
isn't it?
Yes.
Because the petitioner has, no, sorry, the private respondents have declined to give any information to the petitioners. So they cannot see this as of now. And as far as the box is concerned, please check it up, whether any handwritten marks allotment is there or not. If it is there, then we'll see what to do. Otherwise, generally, court cannot go into the box and see one by one what is there. The government advocate will have to assist me. You have to be assisted by your officials also. You can
Yes,
call
my lord.
somebody to assist you.
Yes, my lord.
We'll list it again some other time.
Yes, my lord.
When?
Next week, my lord,
Next
if
week, my lord.
possible.
In next week.
Okay.
My lord, sorry, maybe on 5th or 6th May.
Why?
I need to, I'm going out of station next week.
Okay, list the matter again on 5th of May, 2024. In the meantime, the learned government advocate, Ms. Vanesiami, shall go through the relevant records that was furnished to her by the department. And apprise the court about the contents of the same. Beyond that, I'll not say. You just have a look at it and just take a note what are there in the box.
Yes, my
Okay?
lord.
And we'll see.
Oblige, my lord.
Mr. Victor, you have some other case?
Yes, my lord. This item number 1.
One. Who's
has
there
been-
for the other side?
They are all here.
Item 1 is it's a passed over matter, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
They are yet to file their counter affidavit also.
My lord, this case, it's a covered matter, my lord. It's a covered matter. There is one award passed by the respondent authority. And from the said award, most of them had already filed one writ petition, WPC number 138, and that was already disposed of. And the present petitioners were left only 10 of them from the same award. So they are squarely covered by the previous judgment order dated 31/1/2025 in WPC number 138, Annex 11.
Now, what has happened to that case?
The first case, WPC 103, my lord, that was already complied with by the respondent authority. That cess was already released to the petitioners therein.
Okay.
And after that, there was an appeal preferred by the district council, which were listed today in the division
Against
bench.
which order? Appeal against which order? Against this order?
103, 103.
103, okay.
This particular writ petition order under 138, there is no appeal.
138,
Yes, my lord, Annex
Which one?
11.
which is that 138?
Annex 11, 138. The petitioners in WPC 138 were under the draft award number 4 of 2021. And the present petitioners were also under the draft same award number 4 of 2021. Only for the reason that they were left out in the previous case, they have approached this court again. They were squarely covered by this WPC 138.
138.
Yes, my lord.
Appeal is pending against 103,
103,
not against 138.
not against 130.
But 103 is complied with, you say.
Already complied.
Then,
In spite of that, they have preferred an appeal.
if it's complied, then what is the purpose of filing appeal?
That will naturally become infructuous. But due to the bench wherein my Lord Justice Marley was there, that cannot be taken up today.
103.
103.
No, 103 cannot be taken up.
The appeal against 103 cannot be taken up today.
Why?
There are 3 cases wherein 2 of the writ petitions were disposed by your Lordship, and the third one is disposed by Justice Marley.
Ah.
And that division bench cannot take up the said appeal today.
They have not taken up.
Not taken up.
So appeal is filed against which
103.
103. But 103 is not passed by Justice Marley.
That's correct, my Lord.
Then how?
But the third case passed by Justice Marley is relying to the order of 103.
Third case means this 138.
No, my Lord, different case.
Okay.
This 138, there is no appeal.
What does it say, 138?
To refund the deducted 10% cess, and also to redetermine the interest.
138 has relied upon which order?
103.
103.
And that 103 was already complied with.
But appeal is pending.
Appeal is pending. No
Is it
stay.
listed today?
Yes, my Lord.
But it's not taken up.
Not taken up. So in my humble opinion, there would be no impediment in disposing this present writ petition in line with 138, WPC 138. The present petitioners and the petitioners therein were out of, from the same award.
Same award.
Same award.
Award number?
Award number 4 of 2021. And the respondent authority had illegally deducted 10% as cess by referring to the relying on the MADC Act of 2018. But this court had already held that the said act does not contemplate deduction of cess from compensation to be received by the landowners.
Where is the award number 4 of mentioned? Award number 4.
Page number 52 in the judgment of 138, para 2.
No, in 107. 107 is award number?
103.
103.
Different award.
It's a different award.
Different award.
Okay. But WPC number
138.
138 is the same award.
Same award with the
That
present
means award number
petitioners.
4.
Yes, my Lord.
With the present writ petition.
Yes, my Lord.
There's no appeal against this order?
No appeal.
What is your grievance here basically for refunding of cess?
And
That's all.
and reassessment of the interest.
Yes, opposite party, what do you say?
Lordship, I will be representing the respondent number 5 and 6, and I will find my power during the course of the day.
You do that, but they say that it's a covered case. What is there to decide now?
Yes, Lordship, this matters is related to the WPC 138 of 2024, which was already disposed
Correct.
earlier by this court. And this award number, and this instant petition is covered by the award number 4 of 2021.
So if you say that it is covered by award number 4 of 2021, then it naturally will have to be covered by the earlier order, unless of course this court disagrees. And this court may not be in a position to disagree because 138 of 2024 has relied upon another case 103 of 2023, which was passed by this court. It appears that you have filed appeal, but there is no stay. And another aspect is that you have also complied with the order. Normally, if you file appeal, you don't comply. You file appeal saying that we are challenging it. But here, you have complied with it, at the same time you are filing appeal. But there were two directions.
Yes, my lord.
One was refund.
Yes, my lord.
And the other one was to
Recalculate.
To what?
To reassess the interest payable.
That has been done?
Yes, my lord. In my writ petition, page number 48 and 49. 48 and 49, the compliance of both the directions in terms of the earlier order. Page number 48 and 49.
48, 49.
Yes, my lord. Annexure 8 and Annexure 9. Page 48 is in respect of the cess. And page 49 is in respect of the calculation of interest.
48 is the release of the cess.
Yes, my lord.
Then 49 is forwarding of the amount.
After
calculation.
Calculation was done. After hearing, they heard all the landowners. They had a hearing, and after that they passed this order. They make calculation, reassessment, and then it was forwarded to the sanctioning authority.
Has it been sanctioned?
Not yet.
Not yet. So you'll be filing your power
Yes,
during the course of the day.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll dispose of this writ petition, but you file your power also. I'll record your presence. What can be done? Please write, heard Mr. Victor L. Ralte, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Then who else appears? Miss Lalnun Luik, Learned Government Advocate for Respondent numbers 3 and 4, and Miss Baby Laldin Zwali for Respondent numbers 1 and 2. And Miss
Lalrin Thari,
Lalrin Thari, Learned Counsel for Respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6. So stop. Miss Baby Laldin Zoli, Learned Counsel, submits that she may be given further 3 weeks' time to obtain instructions in the matter and to file counter affidavit. Stop. Ms. Lalrin Thari, Learned Counsel, submits that she may be given some time to, submits that she has instructions, submits that she will be filing her power to appear on behalf of respondent numbers 5 and 6, correct? During the course of the day. You also seek time? No. Ms. Lal Nunlui, Learned Government Advocate, also seeks further 3 weeks' time to obtain instructions in the matter. Next para. Facts of the case have already been recorded in the order dated 21/3/2025. and the same are being reproduced here for brevity. Earlier order you reproduce, okay? Abstract order dated 21/3/2025. Next para, Mr. Victor L. Ralte, Learned Counsel, submits that the case of the petitioners is squarely covered by the order of this court dated 31/1/2025, passed in WPC number 138 of 2024, and that the matter relates to the same award, that is award number 4 of 2021. Stop. He further submits that no appeal has been filed against the order dated 31/1/2025, passed in WPC number 138 of 2024. Stop. However, in respect of WPC number 103 of 2023, an appeal has been preferred by the MADC, but there is no stay of the impugned judgment and order. Stop. He also submits that, in fact, the amount of cess deducted from the writ petitioners therein has already been refunded to them, and the district collector has also made the assessment of interest payable to the petitioners and forwarded the same to the Respondent Union of India for sanction. Stop. In this connection, he has drawn the attention of this court to Annexure 8 and 9 of the writ petition. Next para, upon hearing the parties, this court is of the view that the present case is squarely covered by the decision rendered by a coordinate bench of this court in WPC number 138 of 2024, White order dated 31/1/2025. Which again had relied upon the earlier decision of this court rendered in WPC number 103 of 2023, White judgment and order dated 21/11/2024. Who is supposed to refund the cess?
The
5 and 6? Or what?
yes, my lord.
What about the establishment of the authority? Any information?
I have no knowledge regarding that, my lord.
Number 3 may not be required, isn't it? Already a direction is there.
Not required.
1 and 2 should be there, I think.
Yes, my lord.
Next para, in the result, the respondent authorities are directed to refund the cess amount deducted from the compensation to be received by the petitioners within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop. The district collector is also directed to determine the date of taking over possession of the land of the petitioners by giving due opportunity of hearing to the petitioners as well as the BRTF authorities. Within a period of 2 months. From the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop. Upon such determination, the collector shall make the assessment of interest payable to the petitioners and forward the same to the Respondent Union of India, that is Respondent numbers 1 and 2, who shall, upon receipt of the same, within a period of 2 months, deposit the amount so assessed before the collector for disbursement to the landowners. Full stop. With the above direction, observation and directions, the writ petition stands disposed of.
Deeply obliged.